This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. The Genesis Electrified GV70 offers remote smart parking assist, an advanced technology that can help the driver enter and exit parking spaces remotely by automatically controlling the steering and vehicle speed. These parking assist features can be operated while inside the vehicle or from outside the vehicle by using the remote functionality on the smart key fob. If the vehicle is already parked and off, approach and press the door lock button on your smart key to lock all doors. Then press and hold the remote start button within 4 seconds to start your vehicle. Press and hold either the forward or reverse buttons on your smart key to move the vehicle in or out of the parking space. Note that forward or reverse parking distance functions will automatically be activated as well. If the vehicle is already on and parked in front of a parking space, shift the gear to park and press and hold the parking view button until instructions appear on the infotainment screen. You can either exit the vehicle with your smart key in hand or stay seated inside and move the vehicle remotely using the forward or backward buttons on your smart key. When finished, press the remote start button on your smart key to turn off the vehicle and end remote smart parking assist. For assistance with perpendicular or parallel parking maneuvers, press the parking view button while the gear selector is in drive and the brake pedal is depressed. Slowly drive forward, maintaining a distance of approximately 40 inches from the parking lines or the parked vehicles. A searching for parking space screen will appear on the infotainment screen as the Electrified GV70 automatically searches for nearby available parking spots. After a space is detected, select parking type will be displayed on the infotainment system screen and the selected parking space will appear on the infotainment screen. Depress the brake pedal and touch the infotainment screen to select or use the central controller to select the desired parking type. Once you have selected your parking type, you can select between smart parking or remote parking modes. Smart parking will automate the parking process for you while you remain inside the vehicle. Remote parking will allow you to control parking from outside the vehicle. If you select Smart Parking, press and hold the Parking View button while depressing the brake pedal. As the brake pedal is released, Remote Smart Parking Assist will automatically control the steering wheel, vehicle speed, and gear shift to guide the vehicle into the parking space. The vehicle will automatically guide itself into the selected parking space as long as the Parking View button is continuously held down. If the Parking View button is released, parking is paused until the button is pressed and held down again. If you wish to select Remote Smart Parking, shift the gear to park, get out of the vehicle with the smart key, and close all doors. Press and hold either the forward or backward buttons on the smart key. If you release the button, Remote Parking will be paused until the button is held again. Remote Smart Parking Assist will automatically control the steering wheel, vehicle speed, and gear shift. When the vehicle reaches its parking target, release the smart key forward or backward button. In either mode, when the vehicle reaches the target parking position, a message will appear on the infotainment system screen to inform you that parking is complete. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.